What's up guys, it's Barn here from androdollar.com, and this is the all-new Huawei P30 Pro that was just launched at a launch event held in Paris. So I've got my hands on one of the first retail units of the Huawei P30 Pro right here in Sri Lanka. So let's go ahead and do an exclusive unboxing of the all-new Huawei P30 Pro. So if you're down with that, go ahead, smash that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and let's get started with today's video. This is what the retail packaging of the Huawei P30 Pro looks like. At the front of the box, up top we have a Huawei logo, and in the middle it says Huawei P30 Pro, and at the bottom it says Leica quad camera. At the top it has the Huawei logo, and on the left and right hand side it says Huawei P30 Pro. At the bottom of the box we find the model number, the IMEI number, and all the other important specifications of the device along with the color. This model right here has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. I really can't wait to go ahead and break this open, so I'm gonna quickly peel off the plastic and open up the box, and here we find the all new Huawei P30 Pro sitting right there on top. Keeping the device to the side for just a sec to explore the contents of the box. The first thing that we find is a small pouch with a SIM ejector pin, and inside that we get a TPU case. Next we find my most favorite thing Huawei has built, and that's the 40-watt supercharger that is similar to the one that we got with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. We also get a USB Type-C cable included inside the box, along with normal in-ear style earphones that are similar to the ones we got in previous generations. So this is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Let me go ahead and peel off this plastic and show you guys the naked device in my hand. Now that the device is free, let's go ahead and power it on for the very first time. That's it for the unboxing of the Huawei P30 Pro, but now I have to go ahead and set this device up. But I won't be doing that in this video. I will do that in my next video, so definitely stay tuned right here on YouTube if you want to see the full setup guide of the all new Huawei P30 Pro right here on Andro Dollar. I'll be dropping that pretty soon. Follow me on social media for an update on that. Before I actually wrap up this video, let me give you guys a glimpse at all the important specifications of the Huawei P30 Pro. The P30 Pro comes with a 6.4-inch OLED display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9, and this is Huawei's full view display. The P30 Pro is powered by the Kirin 980 processor that we saw on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and this device packs 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It is powered by Android 9 Pie along with EMUI 9.1. We have a quad camera setup that is Leica tuned at the back of the Huawei P30 Pro. We have a 20MP ultra wide angle camera with an aperture of f2.2. Then we have a 40MP main sensor with an aperture of f1.6 which has OIS. Then we have a 8MP telephoto sensor with an aperture of f3.4. Along with that, we also get a 8MP telephoto sensor with an aperture of f3.4. The newest camera sensor at the back of the Huawei P30 Pro is called the time of flight camera, which will be used for depth detection. The selfie camera at the front is a 32MP camera with super HDR shot and super low light shot. The design of the Huawei P30 Pro is quite elegant. The battery on the Huawei P30 Pro is a 4200mAh battery, and it also supports Huawei's 15-watt wireless quick charging. In Sri Lanka, the Huawei P30 Pro will be priced at 180,000 Sri Lankan rupees, and you can now pre-order your Huawei P30 Pro if you are interested in picking one up. The P30 Pro will be available in 3 awesome colors here in Sri Lanka, and my favorite color is the Aurora color that I have over here. We'll talk in detail about the Huawei P30 Pro in one of my upcoming videos. So if you have any questions about the Huawei P30 Pro, drop a comment down below or send me a message so that I can answer all of those to my full feature breakdown video coming soon right here on YouTube. Well guys, that's a quick look at this unboxing and I hope you guys found this video useful. Well guys, that's the Huawei P30 Pro. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and hit on that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this in the future. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar for all the behind the scenes and updates. And I also went hands-on with the all-new foldable Huawei Mate X. And you can see all the pictures about that on social media. And definitely stay tuned right here on YouTube for my exclusive video coming right here. So stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world, and in case you want to know everything about the Huawei P30 Pro, definitely go ahead and find the article with all the details about that down below in the description. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.